Wow, guys, this is the first time I don't really have an idea of what I'm saying. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. This is it's pretty difficult. I have all my cones out here. I don't know what to say other than thank you. Thank you, patrons. Thank you, everybody that watches my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot take these classes. I could not perform like I want to if it wasn't for you guys. I am going to show you some stuff that I learned over this week, and I cannot wait to impart it on you. I want to give you the knowledge that you gave me by letting me take this course. You guys paid for it on Patreon. Can't wait to take the next one, but we're going to start a whole new, brand new series, whole new everything, whole new total control, whole new everything. We're restarting everything, starting fresh. And I'm going to be teaching, and I'm going to be showing you so that you guys can be prepared to take one of these advanced courses, and you guys will have so much fun. But like I said, I'm just going to prepare you. You need to take these courses. You will find a love for motorcycling that you haven't had in a long time. You'll feel a connection to your bike that you've never had. And I'm blown away. I'm starting over. Let's all start over together. And if you're not a subscriber yet, you subscribe. You. Right there. You're not a part of the crew yet. You subscribe right now. Click that button. That way you're going to go ahead and see all this footage. You're going to see all this stuff. It's free. It's free. And if it wasn't for my patrons, the ones that are actually donating $1 a month, $5 a month, $20 a month, if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to pay for these classes. So I'm just really excited that I can do this and I can show you. So how about I just show you what I learned? I show you some of these things. There's no way I can fit everything into a 5-minute video, 10-minute video. So that's why I'm creating a whole playlist. I'm starting over. Had a ton of fun training Nikki and Raynin yesterday. I just couldn't stop thinking. I was so excited. So excited. I couldn't go to sleep last night. It felt like I was going to Disneyland the next day. That's how excited I am. And you guys are making this possible. So let's go ahead and start. I got a 40-foot circle here. I'm going to show you what I used to do, and I'm going to show you how much more confident I became by doing something different. I had to start all over. I had to erase my bad patterns and create new ones. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm doing it on Nikki's bike. I'm letting my bike have a little rest this week. I rode all the way to Phoenix. Well, first of all, I took my bike on Tuesday, the 6th, to take an advanced course. And then I rode all the way to Phoenix, the 10th, to take the total control. So now typically I'd be telling you push on your left right here to counter steer. And okay, well, it's great. It's all good. But that is just one way to do it. And it's not the most efficient way. One of the better ways to do it. See how I'm looking straight and I'm having to do this, going straight, going down, going up. Like I said, this isn't a teaching video. I just want to show you guys the improvement I did. And you guys are making this possible. And I want you guys to have this improvement. So I'm going to teach you the best I possibly can. So here we're going to go ahead and go into position, countering, counterweight. Going to look and go. I learned this in class and how to be way more efficient in my riding. A little bit more smoother on my control, but guys, I do not have my right foot on the pegs. If I had cruise control, I would take my left hand off, or my right hand off. This is something that I never thought I'd be able to do. I should probably switch to second gear, but I'm in first gear on the Rebel. So guys, I am super excited. I'm still concentrating. See, I'm still new, I'm still learning, I'm still practicing, and I want you guys to get to this point where you feel comfortable so that when you do take a class, you're above and beyond. You feel comfortable. You take their instruction. You learn from the main instructors, the people that have been doing this for years. But I want you to have this free content. Maybe you can't afford the class. Maybe that's not something that you can do right now. You can't. There's a class that's super far away. It's too cold, too hot, whatever. So watch my YouTube videos. Watch MotoJitsu videos. Greg from MotoJitsu, watch his videos. Watch all these safety videos you can, but I'm going to tell you right now, I am going to be bringing you different content, different training, and I am just so excited. And it's one thing to go in a circle like that. It's one thing to go in a circle and kind of lean and just do all that stuff. It's another thing to do slow maneuvers. Now, normally I'd be sitting like this on a slow maneuver. I'd be like, Okay, the white belt, for instance, Motojitsu, I have to go like this, and I got to turn within this one, and it's freaking scary. That's pretty scary. You ever see him do it when he has his feet off? He's doing all this crazy stuff. Guys, I learned how to do that. And I want to impart that knowledge onto you. And I want to tell you how you could do it. It's not necessarily a skill. It's an idea. You need to come up with the idea, or you need to erase your old ideas and your old patterns, and you need to realize this is what motorcycling's about. This is the idea of balance. This is the idea of throttle control. This is the idea of all that stuff. And once you get that in your mind, you're gonna realize you could do some crazy stuff. You can do some really crazy stuff. Ah, see, still learning. Let's go over this camera. So right-hand turns are pretty much my worst. Still learning. But guys, I never thought I could do this. I never thought I could do that. Still learning, still practicing. But over this little tree plant thingy, let's go ahead and do it. Running over my cone. Still practicing, but guys, I didn't realize I could do that. And I want to bring that to you. I'm going to keep practicing, become better and better and better, and take more classes. If you want to help me take these classes so that I can deliver this stuff to you, it takes $1 a month. Patreon, $1 a month, $5 a month, $20 a month, a bunch of different tiers, but I cannot wait to share this with you. And if it wasn't for my patrons, I wouldn't be able to do this. I really wouldn't be able to take these classes. I wouldn't be able to do all of these things that I learned and deliver to you for free. So if you feel like you're getting anything out of these videos, I put like 5 videos a week. If you feel like you're getting anything out of these videos, and if you feel like you learned something, $1 a month, $12 a year, that's all it takes for me to keep doing this. So I want you to join on Patreon. You right there, you click the support DDFM button, link in the description, first comment. I want you to click that and go there and see what I offer along with all these videos. If it wasn't for the Patreon, I wouldn't be able to make these videos. So if you want to keep seeing these videos, you need to sign up for $1 a month. It's going to allow me to continue doing this. And I want to keep doing this. I want to. Guys, if it wasn't for you, if it wasn't for your help, I wouldn't be able to do this. Let's create something again. I'm 200 miles. I am so excited that I have this knowledge. It's just insane. I cannot wait to give it to you. Cannot wait to take it out of my head and put it in a video, put it in a list, put it in a PDF form, whatever it is, pictures. Cannot wait. Okay. I'm repeating myself a lot now, but I've improved because of you guys. So thank you so much to my patrons again. Once again, thank you so much. Thank you once again. I am just so ecstatic. Is that a word? Oh, feels good to feel the bike. Anyways, I'll be seeing you guys later. Hope you guys subscribe. You right there, if you haven't subscribed, you need to. Click that button. Just click it. It's free. And I'll see you guys later, all right? Oh, let's pick up these cones and go home. I am tired. It's a long weekend.